Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, uLebohang Maboy we-Kaizer Chiefs u-ready ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs nokuthi aperforme overall. After some time bamsayinile laphana, uLebo Maboy overall besimbona bafethu ukuthi u-ready ukudlala. Besazi ukuthi u-ready because besimbona njalo ejimini. But guess what? Bengekho fully ready because bebenza ama-test amaningi. The main reason ukuthi benza ama-test ngoJune waya e-theatre esibhedlela, so kusho ukuthi he was nursing some sort of injury, bebangekho sure ukuthi u-ready kwi-intensity of the game ukuthi aye all out. Kusho ukuthi nemejima laphana but-ke he was not all out, but manje se-100% ready ukuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Naye is teasing us ukuthi he's been posting ku-Kaizer Chiefs elaphana ejimini kakhulu nama-smiles ne-team yakhe overall, ukubonisa ngempela ukuthi is fully ready to contribute for the team i-Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine i-depth engaka bafowethu. So I mean siyi-unpack-e kahle lento lena, singayijahi because masizoyijaha soyimosha bafowethu. So after weeks and weeks of anticipation laphana ama-medical test bawenzile, ama-technical adjustment for i-former Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ba-make sure ukuthi ba-create-a i-environment e-right ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe yi-success laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Finally-ke sekazokwazi ukugqoka ijezi le-gold and black laphana bam-introduce formally ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Le i-moment ama-Kaizer Chiefs fanatics or ama-fans bayilindile because uLebohang Maboy as much as be-ready, bengicabanga ukuthi u-ready for ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke he hasn't even made i-match day eyodwa bafowethu. Akakafiki ku-match day squad, but manje is ready for selection. So kuzoya ngama-coach ukuthi ayafuna ukumdlalisa at the moment noma asazomdelaya futhi, but yena umfethu u-ready ucontributor for i-Kaizer Chiefs. And the coolest thing ukuthi u-versatile, ukwazi ukudlala ama-positions laphana different for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Ulokhu njana uMaboy is one of the rare players esinayo eSouth Africa because of une-intelligence. Angifuni ukuqamba manga, intelligence unayo futhi strong. He brings energy ne-versatility yakhe to the heart of i-Kaizer Chiefs, la abadinga ngempela i-composure nanokuthi ba-control i-game. So umdlali ngempela ozokwazi ukuthi abanike konke abakudingayo laphana esiswini, i-depth, most importantly abanike i-balance le abayidingayo. So I mean masizobuyela emuva kancane isitori sakhe, I mean ukhulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs, yes, ku-development yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but izinto azange zimhambele kahle. Ngikhumbula laphana e-Springs, I won't forget e-Springs mekhuluma ne-media ethi indlela ahamba ngayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs ufila ngathi isikhathi esi-right ukuthi abuye, kusho ukuthi akwazi ukudlalela i-team vele wayephupha emncane laphana ukuthi akwazi ukuyidlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So amagama strong asolid for yena umfowethu cause uyabona ukuthi umuntu obonisa i-passion nanokuthi uyafuna ukurepresenta i-team overall. So waya kulokhu njani, is it the second division at the time if angenzi iphutha, waqala kuMbombela United but azange alast isikhathi eside, and then-ke wasayinwa eMaritzburg United. Maritzburg United ile yam-announcer nge-serious-ke ebholeni lase-South Africa, kula ashisa khona kakhulu noNdlovu, bashaya i-combination yomhlaba laphana esiswini. Again uthola uNdlovu manje laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukucomplimentana kahle, badlale kahle. But-ke la aba i-superstar khona kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns, waba forever present for iBafana Bafana. He was one of the most reliable players ku-PSL or kuMamelodi Sundowns because of bayakwazi ukumsebenzisa kuma-different positions laphana, uyi-hard worker, uyi-fighter. So kuma-attacking options kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs bayamdinga because uyakwazi ukudlala kwi-central midfielder, uyakwazi ukudlala as a-false number 9, uyakwazi ukudlala as i-winger nyana. So ukwenze konke uma uthatha ukubheka, I still at his peak because 31 so uma ngisho kahle iminyaka yakhe. I mean he has conquered kuMamelodi Sundowns under uPitso Mosimane along other players abo-Gaston Sirino namanye ama-players are-exciting. Cabanga uMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi beye-powerful kangakanani, but still bekwazi ukuthola ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale laphana, and then bekwazi nokwasha amagoli, udlala ama-match amaningi kakhulu for iMamelodi Sundowns. I think if angenzi iphutha laphana over close to 200 because it's 100 and something ama-match awadlalile kuMamelodi Sundowns, namagoli ayi-20 something, nama-assist so lapho nje. But uyabona ukuthi, and akusi i-striker, i-traditional striker lo muntu lo, akusi uyi-attacker nje, but-ke contribution yakhe nama-assist namagoli kuyasho ukuthi i-player, i-team noma ngayiphi i-team emtholayo engakwazi ukubuilda around yena. So at the moment Kaizer Chiefs are fortunate to have a player like him, a player elizokwazi ngempela ukuyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs, futhi uza ne-experience yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns bengasadlali bamlona ku-SuperSport United. So this is a big opportunity for yena laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi athi abonise abantu, because abanye abantu bathi bamsayina soku-late, I mean, is past his prime, akasafani nasekuqaleni. I-opportunity leyo ukuthi approve abantu wrong, ababonise ukuthi okay, nisho nithi sona so let me prove you wrong ukuthi I still have it, I can still contribute, I can still give it all, I can still push the team to take the team higher, man, and make sure that the team is highly competitive. So it's going to be very important. It's going to be crucial to i-system ye-Kaizer Chiefs mengakwazi uku-adapta kahle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Contribution yakhe iyadingeka ngempela, hayi indaba yokudlala bafowethu. So I mean, i-Kaizer Chiefs last season bebathi baya-rebuilda. This season-ke that rebuilding thing ayisekho, kumele baqale ukuphaka. If you are cooking, you have to start dishing out, because manje you get a chance to rebuild, but you cannot rebuild a football team for years. You get isikhathi nyana. I think that the most important thing because the Chiefs that they've done is to keep maybe my assistant coach coach Nabi, because they've built the system le abafuna ukudlala ngayo. Manje sokumele babonise ngempela ukuthi i-system izokwazi kuba impumelelo, nanokuthi bathole ama-results laba abawafunayo overall lapha no-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, i-arrival yakhe kube ne-excitement kakhulu bafethu online. There was a big buzz and it signaled i-intent ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi abasayini nje kuphela but benze i-statement, bafuna ukudlala smart, at the same time bafuna ama-player versatile azokwazi ukusiza i-team overall a-contribute kakhulu. Sikhumbule ukuthi already Kaizer Chiefs kunama-player amancane kumele olebu maboy bawa-mentore, abo-Shabalala, abo-Vilakazi, nangu-McCarthy baqeda ukumpromotha naye. Bakhona abafana baku-DDC team okumele bangene baba-integrate kahle kulokhu njalo what is this, the ku-main team noma ngithi ku-first team. So ukuba nalama-player lawa ne-experience azokwazi ngempela ukusiza laphana. But yeah, good training has been training hard, really hard bafowethu, very hard to get isikhala sakhe naye ukuthi abone nkosami laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ukhona. Training very hard, is ready more than ever manje ukuthi adlale after ama-medical test, i-Kaizer Chiefs beyingafuni ukushesha ukumdlalisa, knowing that bebuya vele under the knife. Bekumele bamnike isikhathi esi-enough ukuthi bangenza amaphutha ukuthi badlalise ama-player jikijiki umuntu use-injured kanjalo nje. So yeah, it's gonna play a very crucial role for i-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bengishilo. But-ke hey, i-pressure abanye abantu okudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs abakwazi kuyihandle. Only time will tell when he's given opportunities to play for i-Kaizer Chiefs, because Kaizer Chiefs, they're able to make ama-signings alukhunjani, are-crucially, are-exciting, but in terms of contribute ukudlala egroundini, that's a big thing laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs obviously need a bridge between the new generation, new talent, ne-older generation. So yena uphakathi nendawo nje uzokwazi ukuba ilelo bridge lelo for ama-youngsters njengoba bengishilo ukuthi they need ama-mentors. So technically i-Kaizer Chiefs iyastruggle ku-final third, ku-creativity. Gaston Sirino is super creative but akadlala amagame amaningi, noma uyawadlala amagame amaningi but is not that trusted in terms of ukuthi uyaqala every game. So akusiwo umuntu ongaba sure ukuthi uzodlala. Duduzi Shabalala is given ama-opportunities, is able to contribute lapho nalapho, but guess what, naye unokuba off singamboni laphana egamini. So i-Kaizer Chiefs izomodela igame yabo around bani futhi kanjani. So yizi izinto ekumele ebhekwe, naye angakwazi ukuza ku-Kaizer Chiefs a-contribute. It's gonna be given an opportunity to perform, to play, but konke kulele kuye ukuthi uzokwazi na ukuperform. So I mean, ubuya ku-DNA ye-Mamelodi Sundowns, man, i-discipline, i-pressing structure ne-intelligence overall egamini. Kaizer Chiefs into beyilack technical maturity over the years. So uletha leyo nto leyo egamini overall. Singakhohlwa i-leadership yakhe, man, i-dressing room ye-Kaizer Chiefs asibeni fair futhi unstable overall. So too many coaches abawa-change-ayo namanje sokuhamba ucoach bacoacha isama-assistant coach. So bona ukuthi ama-assistant coach azokwazi ukuba ama-coaches, ukulida i-team, nanokuthi ama-youngsters or even the older generation babe inspired by abo-coach laba uBenny no-Cedric ukuthi bakwazi ukubalalela, because kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi abakwazi ukubalalela because of ababa-respect. So they needed honestly they needed umuntu ofana noPitso Mosimane, not direct uPitso Mosimane, but they needed umuntu one-authority. Unfortunately-ke I mean they're still coached by labantu laba ababaziyo, so bona ukuthi mentality mentally ama-player azokwazi ukudlala nokudiliva overall for i-Kaizer Chiefs kula ma-coach lawa, nokwazi ukurespecta ama-coaches overall. So that's gonna be massive, that's gonna be big in terms of chasing izinto overall la ethimini, because they're chasing everything and then they're trying to go all out in terms of getting the results. Well, singambona this month ukuthi adlale, or if bayadelaya early next month, but sikhumbule ukuthi ama-game azodlala fast in a way for i-Kaizer Chiefs on the continental level, because ngoDisemba kuzoba ne-AFCON. So i-AFCON ima iba khona, so i-Betway Premiership, PSL, whatever, izostopha wonke ama-game azostopha for a month or so, then siyoze siwabone nama-game late. So and then ngoJune or so kuza i-World Cup. So I mean we'll see, but-ke sibafisela inhlanhla bonke abafana. ULebohang Maboy u-ready laphana ugqoke ijezi le-Kaizer Chiefs, ngaze ubaphatheleni u-Golden Black. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.